Teachers, students' reading goals are due into the library by February 9th. There will be assistance provided in the library after school January 25th and after the faculty meeting February 1st for those that need assistance setting the differentiated reading goals. See Mrs. Coronado for more details. Also, teachers, just to let you know, I've been asked to be a help to Ms. Trejo in testing for TELPAS STAR and Alt STAR. With that involved, that might mean some special scheduling in the library. There are days that I'm being requested to close, to proctor, test administer, and facilitate any testing help that she needs. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that before it starts.
Students, good work so far. On your science fair projects, you are getting closer to being complete. Currently, you should be done with all materials list and detailed procedures list. Remember, the library is open before and after school for anyone that wants to work on their projects and use library space and resources. Just be sure to come in respectfully, sign in, and line up in the checkout line if you have any questions. Blue Bonnet voting will be January 31st. All 3rd through 5th graders have read 5 of the Blue Bonnet nominated books are invited to the library for a fun time of the Blue Bonnet games, voting, and treat. Be sure to have taken an AR test on the Blue Bonnet books that you read. This will be your voter's registration card. See you at the Blue Bonnet polls. Congratulations to all of you that made it last semester reading goals. What an accomplishment. Those of you that made the last semester goal and anyone that obtained this semester goal is invited to visit the library before or after school to play dominoes. Guess who? Or Osmo. Just be sure to enter respectfully, sign in, and line up at the checkout line to request the game you would like to play. It's a new semester, so that means we have new reading goals. Be sure to discuss your second semester reading goal with your teacher. Know your goal and visit the library before or after school to work on your reading goal. Just be sure to enter respectfully, sign in, and line up in the checkout line to request computers, use, or check out a book.